What's up, y'all, man? Y'all know what it is. It's your boy Wells, man. Y'all see where we at, man. We done it again. Today we up here at HTX Tactical, man. We gonna go in here, man, kick it with the owners and stuff, man. This is, I ain't gonna lie, they got some custom stuff up in here, man. Y'all know I like them sticks, man. Y'all know I play with the sticks, man. They got all type of colors, man. All the Call of Duty type shit, the camos, all the colors, everything you need up in there, man. You know what I'm saying? Real astronaut stuff. Look at the astronaut. Don't look at him. Worry about it. Focus on me. But look, man, we gonna go up in here, man. I seen the homie Black Rambo came through here, dropped off some of his bullets. So since he in the town, I'm gonna go ahead and support the black man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna grab some of his bullets. We gonna do a review on them, but I'm gonna do an honest one. If they don't bust, I'm gonna let you know. But if them boys clapping, hey, ain't nothing but action, man. Go over there and get some of them boys. But hey, when we come back, man, we gonna be kicking it with the owners, man. We gotta see how they got into this, dude, because it looked like dude breakdance or something like that. I looked at the page, it looked like they in the breakdance and stuff. I guess you gotta have that stick with you when you out there, you know what I'm saying? Kick up beating and all that stuff. You feel me? They hitting that and you feel me? Just in case. But look, man, we gonna get into this thing, man. Yeah. Dirty, turn me up. Bitch, don't give a fuck about nobodies, I counted them. Yeah, we getting straight to this money, now add it up. Send lil' homie for 100, he'll tune them up. Quick to turn manage on a bitch and break her pocketbook. Went from wild to the miles, younger just caught a body. Never break the silence, only real niggas round me. Remember growing up a ghetto kid, we was fucked up. Last night we had a party, young Drosky shot that bitch up. Better watch your mouth, I keep big po on me. Ay, better cut that check, nigga, if you owe money. Ay, better watch your mouth, I keep big po on me. Ay, better cut that check, nigga, if you owe money. Got big po on me. Big po. Keep big po on me. Big po. Better watch your mouth, I keep big po on me. Dirty, turn me up. Bitch, don't give a fuck about nobodies, I counted them. Yeah, we getting straight to this money, now add it up. Send lil' homie for 100, he'll tune them up. Quick to turn manage on a bitch and break her pocketbook. Went from wild to the miles, younger just caught a body. Never break the silence, only real niggas round me. Remember growing up a ghetto kid, we was fucked up. Last night we had a party, young Drosky shot that bitch up. Better watch your mouth, I keep big po on me. Ay, better cut that check, nigga, if you owe money. Ay, better watch your mouth, I keep big po on me. Ay, better cut that check, nigga, if you owe money. Got big po on me. Big po. Keep big po on me. George right here, man. We out here with the man, you know what I'm saying? You see where we at, man. So how you get into this, George? I gotta know, man. We got some custom pieces in, you got fish rods.
Oh yeah. I mean, I've been in the gun game pretty much my whole working career. I mean, I've been in the gun since I was a little kid, you know. And I grew up hunting, grew up shooting, you know. Been around guns my whole life, so, you know, it wasn't nothing, you know, and I opened up the word, started working in gun shops and whatnot here and there, and, you know, eventually started my own thing.
Yeah, he got the hoodies and everything. I gotta get one of these hats up out of him. I see you got my man Black Rambo ammo in here. I'm gonna grab. Yeah, I'm like, you already know if you mess with guns, you gotta follow Buddy, man. We got some sick people. How do you even start with some of this stuff? Like, what just made you say, like, I'm a chrome out this motherfucker?
Like, so, I mean, well, we do with HTX Tactical, obviously, because we ain't your regular gun shop, right? You gotta go with the fresh supply, you know what I'm saying? So, we specialize in custom pieces, one-off custom pieces, you know. Obviously, most of the guns we got, you know, we do some gold plated stuff, we do full custom color, full custom jeans, let's go.
You lead the way, man, because you're making it. I'm excited about all of them.
So that's a custom Chanel gun we did. So all the work done on these, the gold plating, the Cerakote work, we do slide milling, all that, the grip work.
Some of these guns are nice.
All done in-house, right?
Shot by that.
This green right here in camo, that right there is a HTX 17. That's actually our gun that we dropped.
Okay, so y'all.
It's based off of a Glock. That's our slide, our whole barrel, all that. That's all done in-house.
Real firearm.
Oh, we do everything. We're
okay.
Full manufacturer. We don't just sell it. It's a custom.
Like the machine.
We got
like
machinery. We got machinery.
Oh yeah, he for real. Okay, I thought I'm completely. I thought he was just like a dope dude, like the customizer. Like he a real gunsmith.
We're a manufacturer. We're a gunsmith, manufacturer, machine shop, all that.
That's hard. Oh, that's hard right there, man. So what's like one of your favorite pieces out here, man?
Man, I mean, out of all of these, personally, I would have to say, you got the nice shiny 1911. Those are always nice. That's just a classic gun, you know what I mean? That's just a classic show-off piece, you know what I mean? But I mean, I got to stick to the HTX 17, you know? That's our gun. Dropped it. That's our in-house build, you know? We sold.
It takes Glock magazine.
It takes Glock magazine. You can put the Glock extendos in there. It's just, man, it's a good gun overall, you know?
I keep looking at this Chanel gun, I'm just thinking like, I ain't never got shot by design. Like, you feel me? Like, if I got hit,
you gotta be ready, you gotta look good while you're doing it. You know what I mean? We did Chanel guns, we did Gucci, we did a Burberry, we did LV as well, did all that. Did all that.
That's dope, man. That's dope, man. Well, I appreciate y'all, man. I just wanted to get a quick little overview of what y'all do out here, man. I'm gonna scope out a couple more things. Let me get back to Black Rambo.
We'll get to Black Rambo. Y'all check us out on Instagram, HTX Tactical, HTX Tactical TV, Facebook, all that. Check us out.
I just got me a new friend, whether he realize it or not, because I ain't know he's a gunsmith. Like, I'm a nerd about these guns. I'm like, where did you start? Like, dude, where did you start making this? But man, I appreciate it, man. HTX Tactical, man. Make sure y'all check them out. We gonna do the review on Black Rambo stuff, man. Hey, I appreciate these boys, man. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see how H-Town get down, man. We out here, buddy. Y'all know what's happening.
Damn, that 40 bustin'. Shorty asked me bustin'. Damn, I trap me bustin'. We keep that money coming. Run up, we go rush 'em. Keep that 40 on me. Bust 'em. We don't play around. Keep 100 rounds. Another man down. Bust 'em. We don't play around.
That's some thugger stuff. That's Slim Thug style. Right?
Built it right off of the Bel Air. Like you dreaming, we build it, man. You tell us what you want when you're done. You know,
like, pay attention to the slides. Like, look at what he did to the slide, and then he twisted
all
the
that is all. We got our in-house
twisted metal. Like, you remember the old school lowrider bikes, the handlebars? He didn't put that on a gun, man. Like, come on, man. Like, that type of detail.
That's all laser on that grip. That pattern, the design is lasered on it. We got a laser.
Yeah, that's not even paint. That's actual, like, no, it's like actual.
So it's supposed to mimic like the upholstery on your seats. The old school seats in the cars. That's what it's supposed to mimic. The old school Chevy logo on there and all that. And obviously, you know, we had to do the spaceman for H-Town. We had to do that. We got latest space later. You look at a logo too, bro. From Houston originally, or?
No, I'm from Detroit.
Okay. How long you been in H-Town?
I'm from Houston. That's a long time, bro. So who the breakdance? That's what I think.
That's how I feel my biggest part.
Okay.
We actually got a couple of them. Other guy, one of our employees, he ain't here right now. He's a breakdancer.
That's great. They fix guns.
Don't ask me.
You can't tell me, you can't do what you want to do in life. Like you would ask them when they was kids what they want to do. Play with guns and dance.
Guns and dance around here, Hey, thank you. What range you going to, man? Top Gun?
We'll go to Top Gun, but I got a membership over here at Charlotte.
Oh, Charlotte. Okay, yeah.
I got a membership at Charlotte over there. Make sure you like family up there.
Charlotte's cool, man.
And they let me do my record fire. Oh,
yeah,
it's supposed to. It's supposed to.
Charlotte was cool, man.
Whatever you decide when you come in, I'll say yeah.
Oh, okay.
Get that box for you real quick.
What's up, boss?
Let's get the bussin'. Always has a safety on. I already got one in the head though, cause I stay ready. These them black Rambos. We gonna see what he talking about. They busted. Yeah, we did though. Oh, hold up. We got a jammer. We ain't done. We ain't done. We still got some more. Yes, sir. You see it smoking. Y'all know what time it is, man. Shout out to the boy Black Rambo. I couldn't tell the difference between his bullets and the federal bullets. So, hey, it's a win to me. You feel me? Hey, remember, man, support your people, man. Shout out to Black Rambo. Hey, let's get some of this evidence. Let's see how much I hit. I did a mag dump. I really want to aim it. So don't be judging my shit. I know how y'all be, bro. Like when you need to work on your recoil, this wasn't one of them. This was not one of them. You feel me? Let's see what we got. I got a couple headshots, one in his throat. Told the fuck out that side though. I hit the 5 one time. Really wasn't aiming at it. Really wasn't aiming at shit. So that's justified just to do like a little quick random bust off. Boom, we out here. But hey, shout out Black Rambo, man. In HTX Tactical. Everything busting how it need to be busting. Hold on, let me see. I think I got the box. So I'll give him some appetite. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all see these right here, don't worry about the bullets I got in there right now. But if y'all see these, the Black Rambos, you know what I'm saying? You see a little ugly dude on there with the guns and shit. Cop some of them, man. Support your people, man. Hey, make sure y'all support me too, man. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know, man, what y'all want to see me review next, man. Right now, I'm about to work on a little old Trusty Dusty. This little bullshit, see what she talking about, man, because this thing always jamming. Look. Let's see, we got some action. See, always. Always, never fail. Never fail, full clip. Yeah, so I gotta play with this one and figure out why it's not doing what it's doing. Motherfucker live for a 380 though. But yeah, this is a little snappy, so I'ma fuck with this. I might throw that in the video or not. Fuck it, I don't know. But hey, man, HTX Tactical. Make sure y'all follow them on Instagram and YouTube. Black Rambo and his bullets. Make sure y'all cop some of them. Follow him out, man. Follow him on Instagram and YouTube. Hey, make sure y'all follow me too, man. The Trapper Entertainment, man, on Instagram and YouTube, man. Yeah, it's like that.